Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chainflip Labs token, or the Chainflip Labs token. Ticker symbol is FLIP. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting November 23rd. We're going to go over the Chainflip token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you're looking for info on Chainflip, you can head over to their official webpage, chainflip.io. Over there you could find a few different socials. They have a Discord group you could join. They have a Telegram. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter on the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. Also on their webpage, they have a light paper, token information, documents, light paper, frequently asked questions, you name it, all sorts of stuff on here. You could subscribe to a newsletter. They have jobs if you want to try to get a job there. They have their own block explorer. So technically this is a coin, it's not a token, although me and other people in the world use token and coin interchangeably. This is a coin because it runs on their own blockchain. You can find their block explorer at the bottom of their page, blocks-perseverance.chainflip.io is where you could find their block explorer. And and then this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Bybit. November 23rd at 12 p.m. UTC time, this token will be listed on Bybit. So you could download Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then on November 23rd, 12 o'clock p.m., go into the trade section, search FLIP, and then simply just buy the token from Bybit. So they probably have other exchange listings and more coming in the future too. So I would follow their Twitter, the one on the screen here, and then you could see what other listings, what other exchange listings they get in the future. Now they have a document section, docs.chainflip.io. Their light paper, if you want to read less, go to chainflip.io/lightpaper.pdf. So our mission is to displace the centralized exchange. For over a decade, the primary method of transferring value between blockchains has been the centralized exchange. This reality has limited composability between ecosystems that has made it difficult for a new blockchain to be readily adopted by increasingly large Web3 user bases. Despite this, the vast majority of Web3 users rely on non-custodial wallets to perform even the most simplest functions with DeFi, NFTs, DAOs, and a myriad of other applications. Engineering a generalized solution to the cross-chain problem has been under discussion as far back as 2012. A decade later, and centralized exchanges still have a firm grip on the market share, but on-chain solutions have been making significant progress. Whilst it is clear that there is huge interest within the cross-chain sector and that on-chain trading is more important than ever considering recent events, no protocol has yet achieved a widespread adoption to the extent of Uniswap, in spite of the fact that the addressable market is much bigger than swapping just ERC-20 tokens alone. So lately, interest is focused on cross-chain messaging, but this simple approach alone isn't optimized to address the biggest and most valuable markets. They are and have always been a major spot market. The fact that it's been nearly impossible to swap 100K USDC for native Bitcoin in one step with less than 3% slippage at this point is a joke. Our mission is to attempt to displace the centralized exchange and become the go-to on-chain trading facility across the Web3 ecosystem and ultimately enable unprecedented composability for builders needing cross-chain support. So that is the goal here. Now, what is Chainflip? Well, Chainflip is a cross-chain decentralized exchange coordinated through its own application-specific blockchain. It is designed to have amazing prices, support both native Bitcoin, EVM, and substrate networks, and many other chain types. It also features cross-chain messaging support to maximize composability with current and future solutions to maximize asset coverage for users. We are not building yet another bridge. Chainflip takes the best of the current cross-chain solutions and makes further optimizations not presently available to any of them. The protocol enables Chainflip to leverage existing on and off-chain spot markets to provide a truly game-changing experience to its users. So, you get the idea. Imagine Radium mixed with PancakeSwap, mixed with Uniswap, mixed with SpookySwap, etc. This differentiates Chainflip from other cross-chain products. Many offerings in the market today rely on bridging and messaging or other approaches, and they often come with a range of problems, including liquidity fragmentation, unfavorable pricing and high transaction fees, over-reliance on incentives, suboptimal capital efficiency and user experience, alarming degrees of centralization, high exposure to security risks for users. So the network is made possible through the Flip token, a native ERC-20 token that is used as collateral for the validator network and as a utility token for all network participants. So the protocol goals is generalized cross-chain compatibility, so involving Bitcoin, custom app chains, Cosmos SDK, Substrate, non-EVM, EVM, layer 1 and 2, etc. They want it decentralized, be a useful product, composability, inter-protocol compatibility, security, and sustained value capture. So some of the features and benefits, they're going to have 150 main validators, scalable signing algorithm, novel and unique JIT automated market maker design, extreme capital efficiency. They're going to have polished user experience, extensive token economics design, first principles design, and unique code base. And that is about it. If you want to read more about this project, head over to docs.chainflip.io. You're going to find tons and tons of links over there. They go through the Frost signature scheme, basically anything that I just mentioned, but way more detail about the whole system overview and whatnot. And yeah, head over to their webpage, and you can find this token newly listed on Bybit, November 23rd. 12 o'clock UTC time. So go download Bybit from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store if you're interested in getting this token. And I'm sure there'll be more central exchange listings to come in the future. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out all the referral codes, and y'all have a great day. Peace out.